Alright, today's gonna be a pretty quick video, one I've been wanting to do for a while and just kind of been waiting for some warmer weather since I don't have this car anywhere near getting into a shop. So basically the video is gonna be about the Quik-Latches and how to mount them. I've seen a couple people post about them in different forums that I'm on, Facebook, that kind of stuff. I've seen people do them really goofy ways. I'm gonna kind of show you absolutely basic, simple way to get it installed accurately and not have to mess with it. So yeah, let's get going. Basically, first thing first, before going ahead and installing anything, I'm gonna start with getting a length of bolt. I think this was just all thread or just a long bolt. I did all mine in 1/4-20 just because they're easy to get. So as you can see, it's as simple as that. That's the trick. You sharpen a bolt, thread it up where you're going to put it in place with all the hardware that's going to come with the kit. Pretty much going to choose whatever spot works best on your bumper, or you make a bracket for it. But I'm going to just go straight into an existing hole because it lines up really nice and easy on the bumper. So get it all bolted up and marked onto the bumper. So pretty straightforward. Just make a punch mark with that sharpened bolt, and you got a mark to start with. So I'm actually going to leave this black plastic piece just because it has a mounting location that I think I want to keep for future use if I ever need it. So now the trick to drilling this out, obviously I got to take off these clips, but I'm actually going to use a wood drilling bit like this. Perfect for plastic. I'm going to start with 1.1/8" on this black plastic piece. It's going to give me a nice hole to match up to the other side. And the Quik-Latch fastener itself is actually a 3/4" hole, so I'll drop down a size on that one and drill it from the outside. But pretty straightforward. Can't beat it. Alright, so just a second ago I went ahead and mocked it all back up into place to make sure that everything lined up like it was supposed to, and the point came through the hole that's already there perfectly. So now I can go ahead and drill and get that one all mounted up, and we're pretty much set. So pretty straightforward. Alright, so that's it. Quick and simple. Pretty self-explanatory. Almost to the point that a video was unnecessary. But like I said, I've seen some people do it in a few different ways. This one just has always been dead on accurate and easy to do. Now, one suggestion I will make is that I drilled the outside from the outside. You know, there's two layers. Drilled the inside from the inside, outside. Should have just drilled everything from the inside, because I kind of ran the risk of scuffing the outside. Hopefully that kind of gave you an idea of a simple way to get it installed and in a way that's super accurate. So have a good one.